Hi guys, welcome. It's Ashley with Badass Vegan. Today I'm going to attempt to make tofu. Yesterday I made this homemade soy milk and I will put the link to this video in the description box below. I just used some non-GMO soybeans that my girlfriend gave me, blended them up, and I have soy milk here. So what I'm going to do first is get this soy milk in a pot on the stove and bring it to a boil, and I'll show you guys step by step. Hopefully it works out. I've never made this before, so it's a learning process. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, so the first step is to boil the soy milk. Just bring it to a boil and then turn off the heat and let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. And then you also need a agitator to make the soy milk curdle. So my measurements are a little off. I've never done this before, but I have about 2.5 cups of soy milk. I have 1/4 cup of water and a little shy of a tablespoon of lemon juice. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then I'm gonna remove it from the heat and let it cool for 2 minutes and then I'll check in. Okay, I have the soy milk boiling, so now I'm going to turn the heat off and let it sit for 3 minutes, but I'm still gonna stir it. Okay, so now that it's cool, go ahead, Scout, grab that bowl. No, the bowl. Good job. So now we're gonna dump in half of the lemon juice and dump it in. Go. Good job. So now we're gonna dump in the half of the lemon juice and water mixture, and I'm gonna mix in a circular motion for a couple minutes, or a little bit here. And now, Scout, can you grab that measuring cup over there? So now I'm gonna stop the motion and we're gonna add the other half. Not that, Scout, this. Okay, dump this in, please. Dump this in.
I can do it.
Okay, dump it, I gotta mix it. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir even more vigorously, and you can see it wants to clump up, and that's exactly what we want. So I'm gonna mix this up and I'll check back. But so now after I mix this for a little bit here, I'm gonna cover it and let all the curds float to the top. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and from what I can tell, it has curdled, I don't wanna spill it, to the top. So now what I have set up here is a cheesecloth inside of a strainer with a bowl underneath. So I'm gonna pour this mixture into the cheesecloth. I don't know if this is gonna work. I hope so. And now I'm going to squeeze the cheesecloth, get it together, and squeeze. Oh shoot, I spilled some. I'll have to run that through again. So now I'm gonna squeeze this through, and the curdles are gonna come together and make my block of tofu. But I spilled a little, so I'll have to run this through again. But I'll keep you posted after this step, and then I have to put a weight on it.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make a
It didn't work. Tell him.
It didn't work, so we're gonna pause it.
No, we're not gonna pause it. We're just not gonna do it.
And we're not gonna do it, so.
This is my first attempt at making tofu. It did not work. Look, it just like disintegrated. So, which makes me think the agitator did not coagulate it enough. So that being said, no tofu for us. Right, Scout?
Okay, pause it.
Oh well, tell them you can still like this video.
Girl, I'm really afraid.
Okay, you say it. Come on.
What do we say right now?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel and click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Thank you.